Today, we will talk about how to buy cross-country skis. Let's have a look at the details. Cross-country skiing is a fun winter sport that people of a wide range of ages and abilities can enjoy. Unlike downhill skiing, cross-country carries few safety risks and offers an excellent way to get exercise outdoors in cold weather. Aside from purchasing some equipment up front, cross-country skiing is something you can do almost anywhere you find snow. The first step is choosing your ski type. Consider classic skis for their versatility. Classic skis represent the quintessential cross-country design and are a great general-purpose ski for recreational use, at any level. Designed to cover a variety of terrains, these can carry you from the well-packed cross-country trail to the ungroomed meadow, and everywhere in between. The skinnier and lighter the ski, the greater speed they offer. Wider skis offer better stability. Look at skate skis if you want speed and agility. Skate skis are generally used in racing, including marathoning. Unlike in classic skiing, skate skis require the user to push their feet diagonally outwards, rather than forward in a straight line. Compared to the classic type, skate skis are shorter, have higher front tip curves, less camber, and only attach to the ski boot at the tip. Choose off-track skis for backcountry use. Shorter and wider than the classic style, these skis may be a good option if you plan to spend most of your time trekking through unpacked snow over rough terrain. If you'll be skiing through a variety of wild and ungroomed environments, these heavy-duty skis may be a good choice for you. The second step is finding skis that fit. Size your skis according to your body size. No matter which type of cross-country ski you choose, skis work best when they are fitted to your height and weight. Ideally, when sizing your skis, you'll want to consider a combination of things including ski type, terrain, and experience level alongside body size. Finding your perfect fit may require a visit to a local ski shop where an expert can provide customized advice. Buy boots that match your ski bindings. Finding comfortable boots that work with the skis you've selected is key. As such, it's important to find a pair that fit you well and match your ski binding. You can buy skis that come with bindings already attached, or you can purchase the bindings separately. If this is your first foray into purchasing cross-country skis, going with a pre-installed binding is the simplest. This is called a pre-mounted ski, and it is a common beginner-type ski. Look for poles that are best for your height. The ideal length for ski poles can vary based on the precise conditions in which you are using them. The length of your poles should also correspond to your height. A good general rule for sizing poles is that they should be somewhere between your chin and nose when upright. Look for adjustable poles so that you can work out what is most comfortable for you as you use them. The third step is purchasing skis. Stick with mid-range equipment. This is a great way to minimize the costs of buying new skis. Whether you're just starting out or you're more experienced, you're not going to need top-of-the-line equipment unless you're a competitive skier. The performance advantages of more expensive equipment are very small. Staying within the mid-range allows you to take advantage of great equipment with lower costs up front. If you ever decide to go pro, you can always upgrade. Buy new if you're a beginner. New skis are a good idea for most skiers, but especially if this is all new to you. Since skis can wear easily and require some basic upkeep, starting out with new ones will guarantee that you're getting the most out of your equipment. When you buy new, you can also make sure you get the boots, bindings, and poles to match. Regardless of whether you decide to buy new or used, it's a good idea to inspect the equipment first and to try them on before you finalize your purchase. Support a local ski shop and buy in-store. Skis are easy to find online or in-store at specialty sporting goods and ski shops. Buying your skis in person is the best option, especially for beginners, because you'll benefit from the expertise of the ski shop staff. In-store purchases will make it easy for you to try out the equipment first, and you'll be supporting a local business, too. If you don't have access to a ski shop near you, then buying online is your next best option. If you've never gone cross-country skiing before, rent a pair of skis and give it a try before you invest in your own pair. If you're a beginner, try taking a few cross-country ski lessons before heading out on your own. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.